Hi guys, so a few days ago I announced a fabulous summer contest in association with Pediasure. The object of this contest was to create something amazing, something cool just for summer using Pediasure. Now we had so many entries coming in, I couldn't even count, but then one really stood out, and this person is a bit of a chef and he's a little chef. So I'm going to surprise him with a box of Pediasure and let's see what he makes of it.
Hello, Teenu auntie.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. I was playing Minecraft. Want to join me?
Sure.
Yes.
Thank you so much. What are you playing?
Minecraft. Should I teach you?
You know what? I actually have something better planned for you. Do you remember this contest you entered?
Yeah.
Pediasure Summer Contest. You know, all the entries I chose you. Do you know why? Because you're an amazing chef. So, what are you planning for us today with the Pediasure Summer
Because it's very hot. Everyone will be burning.
Yeah, I am too. You have something cool for me?
Yes.
What is it?
Pediasure Kulfi. It's the new cookies and cream flavor.
Yep,
I can
I'm
make
sure
this
it's yum.
even better.
How will you do that?
We can make it cookies and cream kulfi.
Awesome. I
So-
think I like that.
So I'll go and set everything, all the
Sure,
ingredients
go
up.
ahead.
So hello everyone, welcome to KichaTube HD. Today I'm with a special person. I'm in Teenu Terrence. She's a big food blogger. Introduce yourself.
Thank you so much, Kicha. So as Kicha said, I'm into food blogging and my venture is called Let's Talk Food. So Kicha, why are we here today?
Because I've accepted a challenge that I should make anything with Pediasure Cookies and Cream flavor.
That's right. A few days back, we had announced a super contest on my social media asking people if they can create something special for summer using Pediasure, right? And guess who accepted the challenge?
Okay.
Yeah. So what are we making today?
I'm making Pediasure Cookies and Cream kulfi.
Yum, that sounds really good.
For me also it sounds very yummy.
So let's start with the ingredients. They all look nice. What are they?
This is a koya or maba.
Okay.
It's like solidified milk.
Oh, okay.
And that too it's used in most of the Indian sweets.
Wow.
Condensed milk,
Alright.
crushed nuts. I'm using almond, pistachios and cashew nuts.
Lovely.
Cardamom.
Okay.
And
That's a lot of milk. And you forgot the main ingredient.
yes, Pediasure Cookies and Cream.
Okay, how are we going to start now? What is the first ingredient we need to add?
First we need to add koya.
Okay.
Can you add me over the half of the milk?
Sure, here you go. You want me to pour that in for you?
And it's okay.
Okay.
And stir until it's a paste.
All right.
The koya has mixed with the milk.
Okay. It smells so good already.
Let's add the remaining milk. Now let's add the remaining ingredients.
Shall I give it to you one by one?
Yes.
The condensed milk. How much condensed milk are you adding?
150 ml.
Okay. Nuts.
Yes.
Which is your favorite nut?
Pistachio.
Oh, nice. How much nuts have you added in?
Half cup.
So that's pistachio. Then what else? Almond.
Almonds and cashew nuts.
All right. And you have cardamom.
Half teaspoon.
Half teaspoon. All right.
It's going smoothly now.
So shall we take our main ingredient now? Shall I open it for you?
Yes.
And how much of Pediasure would you need?
Half cup.
All right. Let me just open this pack for you. So
I think we
that's
can add a
half cup,
pinch
right?
more. I think we can add
Small
a
bit more?
pinch more.
Okay.
I
Fine?
think that's enough. That's
Okay.
okay. Let's add this.
Okay.
Now it smells yummy. Do you want to stir for me?
All right. You can take a small break. Ooh, that looks really good. And how long am I supposed to stir this for?
30 minutes.
30 minutes. What are we making here? Does it take so long to make kulfi? I see what you're doing there. Very nice. I shall help you this once only, okay? So does it taste like cookies and cream?
Yes.
Did you know that it actually builds your immunity?
Oh, then I have more. So I'll become very strong.
That's smart. You know, I have been stirring for a very long time. Still not saying stop.
Keep on stirring, keep on stirring.
Oh no. Excuse me. So how long am I supposed to stir?
Until I finish this game, 30 minutes.
What? 30 minutes?
I'm just joking. It'll only take few more minutes.
Oh, it's almost done, is it?
Yep.
It's
Now it's done.
thickened, right?
Yeah. Now let's of this. Let it cool down. Then we'll transfer it into Kulfi modes. It has cooled down. Next, let's transfer. Put crushed nuts.
Okay, how much are you putting in?
2 pinches.
Okay.
I'm waiting to eat this. Take the next one after.
Did you know, Kicha, it's not just tasty, it's also extremely healthy because there are more than 37 nutrients in this.
I'll eat this every day.
Good for you. You're going to be healthy and strong and very tall, remember?
Now let's freeze this for 2 to 3 hours.
Oh, I can't
wait to eat it.
Me too.
I kept it in the freezer for 2 hours.
Okay.
Let's see if they're ready.
All right.
We're dipping it in hot water so they come out smoothly. Screw this and then keep it inside.
Okay.
Why does it come
Yay,
out?
it's done. It looks amazing.
Yes. Let's keep them aside and let's eat them.
Oh, we can eat this? Yum. They're so good. I'm stealing yours, okay? Yeah, I will. I really like it. Actually, really like it. You can't do that. I'm also going to do that. Not fair, okay?
Guys, you can try this at your home. It's super yummy.
It is so delicious. Thank you so much, Kicha. This is such a fantastic recipe. All of you must buy Pediasure and try this out. It's amazing. And did you know, Kicha, Pediasure actually helps you gain more height. So you're going to become taller than me, like Jack and the Beanstalk.
I'm going to make more and more recipes.
Like what? What else can you make with this?
Milkshake and ice cream and many more.
Yeah, and you're going to invite me for every single one, right?
Yeah.
Then it's okay.
And please do try cookies and cream flavor. Bye.